There are many calculations that can be done within an instrument, including sums, averages, and custom formulas. Most calculations can be done with a table that has questions set to number. Each question can be set to whole number, decimal, currency, or percentage. This will change how the numbers are displayed when entered. By selecting an individual cell in its calculation tab, you can set it to column sum or row sum. This will add all numbers from a column or row. To perform advanced calculations, you need at least one question with the field name. To perform a sum or average with a repeating table row, select the question with the field name, row, allow repeat, and apply. You can then select the calculation tab of another question within the table and select which field in the row will be summed or averaged. Because the field name for this cell under number of employees was selected, whenever a copy of the row is made, the numbers entered in those middle cells under number of employees will be averaged. To perform sums and averages for repeating table questions, select Table, Repeat Options, allow questions to be repeated, and select at least one field name. You then need to add either a new table with number of questions, or a number of questions from simple question types. Under the Calculation tab of the new question, choose Calculation Type, select Repeating Table Question, and choose which table to use, and which field to use. If Allow Repeat is selected in the same row containing a field name used for repeating table calculations, the numbers entered in the added rows will be used for the final calculation. The last calculation type is a formula. With formulas, you can enter custom formulas and define the parameters within. A parameter within a formula can be a value, variable, or field. With a value, you can enter a whole number or decimal for the parameter. With a variable, you can set the parameter equal to an existing variable. If a question is given a variable name, and that variable is then assigned to a letter within a formula, the value will be equal to whatever is entered in the original question for the variable. If a field is used, the calculation must be done within the same table or form as the field. It will then act similar to a variable. In this case, the result for a number of employees entered in a repeating row is saved to the field name total employees, which is then used within a formula.